just wanted to show them before we mess it up, you know? All right, this is our issue right here. It's not straight.
We take it.
We gotta make this straight.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
That's our
I'm gonna
mango.
try to put the pie over here and pull it out this
Look at that.
way. Make sure you know that everything's going.
Yeah, you gotta pull it. Yeah, pull it from the back first and then move it in.
Right?
Because remember, this is the straight part. It
Yeah.
turned right here. This is where it turned.
Yeah.
So we gotta put something here as close as we can to this part to pull it, and then pull it, and then pull it, and that should go straight, and then pull it down. So this is where we at, y'all. You know, showing you how much it takes to rebuild a car from the auto auction. You know, but it's my Impala. That's the truck. All right, I'll be back. So, I'm gonna just show you more or less the damage, right? This is all the damage, and if you look at it, you know, basically the car got pushed about, I don't know, an inch or so. That's what it's offline. I'm not sure if somebody tried to fix this already, but this is our task right now. So we're just trying to straighten this out. This first. So real quick, New York City fire hydrant is our best friend at this point. We're gonna use that shit to bend this shit back.
Make it a little separate over there.
Farther back?
Yeah, a little more. That way we put the other chain over here. You got chain? You got the other chain in the bucket, in the bottom. You got chain. I put one over here and then they put the common on.
Yeah, I thought the common was good enough for. Oh yeah, another chain. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put the other chain over here.
All right. So it's my first time doing any body work. I did not know that fender was bent that way, but that is what it is. We're gonna use a wrench puller, so bend it back and see what happens. This is supposed to be my best friend, and let's see. Everything turns out right, man. Yeah, yeah. It's a police siren.
How we look?
put it down first.
We are. I'm gonna put 2 screws. Let's see how we looking. Right?
Let's put it down.
Huh?
You put it down, you'll find it.
Yeah, but I have to put the shutters on.
What?
Okay, put it down.
Click. A little bit more. Click though. Click. It's a lot. Sure. This right here is going to line up good.
Yeah, but I have to set it up.
See? No, but look. 18 seconds. I got no more memory. It's crazy. See it though, y'all. Again, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.